what is the difference between a round hole and a slotted hole? And the answer is there is no difference. You can use them almost universally in almost every single handle. I have an Ulta. We know that Ulta likes to use slotted, but I can use a round hole blade and vice versa. We also know that Fiskars likes round, but a slotted will work just as well. In fact, a number of these manufacturers may only offer one, or in the case of Ulta, they actually, in their endurance line, they actually offer it as a round exclusively, and it fits all of their cutters. So, fun fact, these were actually designed as slit cutters. So each of these notches was for a slit cutter, like kind of like a box knife, and you could just rotate it the 1/3 and get a fresh edge. And so you could use the same round blade, get 3 fresh edges before you had to dispose it into a industrial slit cutter. So that's why the notches are there. But we found that they don't have any impact because the center pivot of your handle that the blade rolls around on is round. It is not slotted or notched. It does not need that. So that is the answer to that question.